Yeah, I know you're wondering what is this, but this is all we do in the countryside. So stay in tune and you'll see how we create this feast with this cow leg. So we make sure it's all clean. You have to take out some of the excess fats. So we clean up it and now we're hanging it up because we gotta hang it up for the fire. Now we lit the fire and we're preparing vegetables, cabbage and lettuce and all that, onions. So now we're putting in the sauce because we have all country style sauce. And this video is all about countryside cooking. So now we're tuning on the fire so it can steam. Now we're peeling off the meat, putting it in sauce and put it on the grill. So we're peeling it. It'll be like jerk cow. Yeah, these are the best sauce ever in the countryside. So we're rubbing it on to the cow meat. Now it's all finished. All tasty and all. So this is how we prepare cow meat in the countryside. One big large cow leg and we on to feasting.